4 winter words you should know. Frosty. Very cold. Covered in frost. The windows look frosty this morning. Freezing. Extremely cold. It's freezing today. Wear a scarf. Icy. Covered in ice. Slippery. Be careful, the road is icy. Blizzard. A strong snowstorm with strong wind. We couldn't go outside because of the blizzard.
Share your thoughts in the comments and explore more videos on Smart ESL Path.